Hey everybody, so here we have this Acer laptop in for service, and the reason why it's here is because they're claiming it does not turn on anymore. And this is a N20C5 manufactured look at that, my birthday, June 28th, manufactured in 2021. So, safe to say this thing definitely does meet the Microsoft Elite Class system requirements for Windows 11. But the bigger question is, what's going on with it? Why is it not running? So we're going to try it just without the adapter, see if there's anything on the battery. Press the button, and of course nothing at all. So, let's go ahead and plug in our AC adapter, and it's a really tiny barrel in there. One thing I'm noticing right away is this is fitting kind of loose in the jack. I'm not so sure if that's getting a good connection. Now the jack itself looks okay from what I can tell. Let's make sure it's fully seated. I'm going to put a little bit of pressure on the side of it, and let's see if it'll start. Nothing at all. So one thing I'm noticing right away is, I'm not sure if this thing has an indicator for charging. There's a little light on the bottom, and I think that might be our charge indicator. Sorry, I can't see what I'm doing here, but there's a little bitty indicator there. I think it's an indicator that should theoretically light up when this is charging. Now sometimes these adapters can go bad, and a lot of times, I mean, if that's the case, that's pretty easy to fix. You just replace the adapter. So I'm going to see if I have a compatible fit. It's a 19 volt adapter, so it's a common voltage. I'll have to see if my universal adapter has any fittings for this machine. Okay, so I dug out my universal adapter, and luckily I did happen to have the correct plug adapter for this machine, and you can see it is up and running. So it was just the adapter. So the jack on the side, I checked it with like a really small screwdriver to make sure it wasn't like loose. That's something that can happen sometimes. And it wasn't loose, it was firmly in there. So I plugged this in, and you can see we are up and running now. So it's just another fine example. Sometimes when your computer does not start, sometimes it's not the laptop itself, sometimes it's the adapter. So all this person's going to need is a new charger. Because what happens is, let's say the charger goes bad, or it's probably something in this cable. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a failure in this cable somewhere, because that's a really thin cable. And of course what will happen is the adapter will stop working, and the battery will drain down to nothing, and you can see our battery is completely flat there. It's completely drained. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just let this thing charge up. That way I have a full battery, and I'll look up a replacement AC adapter for them. I was hoping it'd be something really simple, because it's not a very old machine. It'd be a shame for something like this to fail at such a young age. So anyways, that kind of wraps it up for this one. So another fine example of why you should never overlook your AC adapter if your laptop quits working. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video from Q channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and tick the bell so you get notified of a new video I post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends to get the word out. In addition, I have a second YouTube channel, that's QCompMTDX. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.